Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add or update a payment method on your TikTok account. So here we go. I'm not show you how you can add from the apps, but this is from officially TikTok Business Help Center. So this is how you can learn how to find supported payment methods. And here we go. How to add or update payment method. So from TikTok Ads Manager, go to the Tools tab, then under the settings select Finance, this one. On the payment page, you can click the three dots on an existing payment method to remove or update it. And to add new payment method, click Add Payment Method. Click the payment method you prefer to add, such as credit card or debit card, then click Submit. So this is for example. So this is from the TikTok Ads Manager. From this TikTok Business Center, you can click Finance in the left hand menu. Here we go, Finance. Then click Payment Management. Then find the add account to which you want to add payment method. Click Manage Payment Methods and click on three dots in the upper right hand corner of the existing payment method and click Remove or click Add Payment Method. Then add your payment information, then click Submit. Here we go. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.